guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So this is the underground work that I've been wanting to show you guys for the last few days. So in between each spot right here, we have 5 pipes usually. So 120 on the left, 120 again the second pipe. Third and fourth pipe is 480 in and out. If I didn't say already, the first and second pipe is 120 in and out. And then the fifth pipe going to the bay lifts is the 480 power out for the power for the lifts. So just daisy chain these 120 in, 120 out, 480 in, 480 out, and then 480 to the bay lifts. So these are going to be all underground except for the rigid couplings. And these are 5.5 inches off of the wall. The strut is 5.5 inches off the wall. The receptacles are going to be inside the wall. And then the 480 I think is going to be surface mount and going into a gutter, a junction box, or I don't think there's going to be a disconnect, but that's a possibility. But anyways, these are the first 7 that we worked on, and then we had a second batch that we were working on, trying to finish another second set of 7 before the end of the day, before I left.